I'm Rita Sharma. I'm from St. Mary's Convent School, Kasoli, and I'm a teacher there.
Okay, so you attended today the session. So how was it?
The session was really very fruitful because till now we were just thinking that AI is just limited to few resources, but today we came to know how wisely and widely we can use it. It's not just the text content we can get it from AI, but there are so many other things which we can use, and we can also upgrade ourselves using AI.
Sir, my name is Shalini Sood and I've come from Convent of Jesus and Mary Chelsea, Shimla.
So how was the session?
This session, which was uh, done by Tribune and Chitkara University for the principals, and this session was basically based on the use of artificial intelligence in this era. And I would say this was really enlightening for all of us. Though we know what is AI, but so many new things we came to know जो हमें आज पता चली हैं कि AI का यूज़ तो हम आजकल कर ही रहे हैं, बट नए नए टूल्स जो हैं जो हम आजकल यूज़ कर सकते हैं और जो हम अपने टीचिंग में इनकॉर्पोरेट कर सकते हैं उसका पता चला. सो आई थिंक दिस वाज वेरी वेरी नाइस एंड इट वाज रियली एन आई ओपनर फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. एंड जो हमारे रिसोर्स पर्सन थे उन्होंने हमें इतना कुछ गाइड किया हाउ वी कैन मेक आवर वर्क ईजी. एक उसका बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस है लाइफ में बिकॉज AI इज़ हैज़ गॉन इनटू आवर लाइव्स, बट उसको जुडिशियसली कैसे यूज़ करना है वो उन्होंने आज हमें बताया. सो आई थिंक इट वाज रियली नाइस एंड इट वाज रियली एन आई ओपनर फॉर अस.
My name is Adi Garg. I'm an expert career counselor from Chandigarh.
So you conducted this session. So how do you would you like to elaborate about AI and the way it is transforming the education sector?
Yeah, sure. I'm happy to be the speaker over here at Shimla with the Tribune Principals Meet. Basically, technology will alone not revolutionize the education, but the transformed educational approach will benefit the society. So it is not about only upgrading or adopting the latest tools, but how strategically we use it so that we can be more responsive and effective in the every department of education.
Okay, so as AI is transforming, it is already there. So how do you see that our country need to adapt to be in the AI race?
According to UNESCO E9 motive, they are saying that 2030 will be 100% digital literacy, and every school will be adopting, and they have already adopted AI also as a subject. So AI is just a technology, it is a part. There is much more apart and above than and beyond than that, like quantum physics. So being with the adaptive technological mindset is very important, and go with that growth mindset.
My name is Sharon Nanda and I'm the Vice Principal of St. Thomas's School, Shimla.
So you came here to attend this principals meet. So how was the session?
The session was excellent. First of all, I am very thankful to Tribune for organizing this principal meet on education on AI, and I'm very grateful to the keynote speaker of the day, Mr. Adi Garg. He told us everything about AI, how important it is. Though we all knew that AI is here to stay with us and it will be here forever, but he has also changed our perspective towards AI, that AI can be used in school, and the various tools that the AI has about Magic School and certain other things, how they can be used in school along with the children and the students, parents and principals, administrators, teachers, how we all can use that AI tool in our field of education. And one more thing that I really liked about that, the fear that we always had with an AI, we always say that AI is going to come and we are going to get over. No, that fear of AI taking over us totally, this workshop has made me feel that fear is over. Yes, we can work with AI along hand in hand together and do great jobs and do great things in the field of education and help children to learn more with AI rather than to being scared of it or rather than thinking that this is going to hamper the education. No, it is going to stay and it is going to be beneficent for all of us and especially the students and the administrators. Thank you.
I'm Mrs. Vinita Sood, Principal Ixia Shalade School, and I'm here to attend the principals meet hosted by the Tribune and the Chitkara University.
So how do you like the session?
Yeah, the session was extremely good. First of all, I'm thankful to the Tribune group of newspapers and to the Chitkara University, especially about the AI interaction that we had, the various tools related to the AI that were given to us by Mr. Reddy. It was very enlightening, very innovative, and of course very educative. And the Chitkara University, the knowledge that we got about the Chitkara University and with Mr. Sahani, the entrepreneurship and the other activities that are being taken up by the Chitkara University, it was very informative, and we have really, me and my senior academic coordinator, we've really enjoyed the sessions that have been and the knowledge that has been imparted to us, and we are definitely going to have a session tomorrow with our teachers, and with whatever we've learned here in the seminar today, we are going to kind of share information with our staff as well, whatever can be implemented. And thank you so much.
I am the director and principal of Bluebells Public Senior Secondary School, Delhi. From last 7 years, I am attending this seminar every year about the principal meet organized by Chitkara and Tribune. It is very important for us and very beneficial because we learn many aspects of administration and many ways to handle the children in the classes and the ways of teaching and learning processes.
My name is Seema Mehta from Swaran Public School, Tutikanti.
Okay, so you came to attend this session. So how informative was the session today?
So today I'm going to really thank to the Tribune for organizing this principal meet, and Adi, he also guided us so well, जिसमें उन्होंने AI के बारे में बताया, and today I'm really happy that I learned so many things, जिसमें उन्होंने कुछ Monday diaries and for the administrations, for the staff, for the teachers, for the parents, for kids, किस तरह से हमने AI को लेके आगे चलना है. He told so many sites जिससे हम खोल के अपने वर्क को बहुत easy कर सकते हैं और उसको बना सकते हैं, अपने स्कूल को बेस्ट लेके जा सकते हैं उसके लिए.
एंड आप भी जैसे AI यूज़ कर रहे हैं अपने स्कूल में, तो कैसे लगता है कि टीचर्स के लिए किस तरह के नए चैलेंजेस आ रहे हैं, या एजुकेशन में किस तरह के नए चैलेंजेस भी सॉल्व हुए हैं या कोई नए इमर्ज हो रहे हैं?
बिकॉज येस, वी आर यूजिंग AI इन आवर स्कूल. मुझे इसमें इट इज़ बेनिफिटेड, वी आर बेनिफिटेड, वी नो हाउ टू यूज़. टीचर्स को भी पता चल गया किस तरह से न्यू चीज़ें निकालनी हैं, लेकिन एक्सेस यूज़ जो है वो डिपेंडेंसी इज़ बैड. To take the advantage of the AI is good, because जो उनको हमें सीखने को मिलता है, या क्वेश्चन बनाते हैं, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस निकलते हैं, दैट इज़ रियली ग्रेट जॉब. उसके लिए बहुत सारी एफर्ट्स, बार बार रिपीटिव वर्क जो है वो लेस हो गया. लेकिन अगर हम सोचे स्टूडेंट्स को, तो वी आर गिविंग देम नॉलेज हाउ टू यूज़, लेकिन उसको किस तरह से स्टूडेंट्स ने बेनिफिटेड वे से करना है, सो दैट डिपेंडेंसी नहीं रहे, और दे शुड नो हाउ टू हैंडल दिस टेक्नोलॉजी वाइजली टू इंक्रीज देयर विजन.